Hey everybody, today we're going to do a work suit review and we're going to see how crazy I can get my hair just for this review. Okay, Postman brought me a work suit, and this work suit is just going to be for leisure purposes. Might even be like my next lounge suit. Okay, and it's made by Just in Trend. So Just in Trend, really nice labels, very informative tags, flame resistant, so do not remove this label, yada yada yada. It even says, it goes so far as to say, manufactured by Justin Trend LLC, Katy, Texas, made in India. So it's a little odd, but they got some work suits, and we're gonna try it on right now. So, and I can also compare to the insect shield suit that I just bought. Okay, I'll snap this on here. What? Oh, look at this. The snap has stayed on the male side. The female part of the snap is stuck on there, and it's come off its fabric. His metal pin is inside here, inside the lapel. So look, there's going to be no snapping of the sleeve, straight out of the box. Just in Trend. I haven't even washed it yet. Okay, so if it was going to snap, it would look like this. Maybe this one will break too. I mean, think about how many times you're going to snap these over the lifetime of this garment, and it's already toast. I have snap kit, but I don't have this style. So anyways, on with it. The zipper, it's not a YKK. One of my suits claimed it was YKK, but maybe YKK makes a private label zipper. I don't know. Okay, same. I got hidden snaps, which is kind of cool. I like how the snap is not on the outside, so you can scratch something. So, except for this, I'm going to scratch something now. The pockets. So there's like weird little holes in the pockets where my fingers actually go into the holes. Things are going to get trapped in there. So you know that. It does have the reach throughs, so you can get in your pants pockets or your shorts pockets front, and then no flaps on the back pockets. Overall lounge rating, it's pretty comfortable, but this, I can't snap the sleeve. I'm gonna have to fix it or call the seller, but you know, I don't want to return it just for one snap. Can you tell I'm irritated? Okay, trying to act irritated. Overall, pretty good. I don't really like the pockets would bug me. Alright, it's got the one hammer loop, which is quite huge, and one big nice pocket on the side. I bet your phone, a regular phone, would fit in there. It's very large. So hope you liked the review. It comes in many colors. I chose this color.